Hashtag ascending triangle pattern explained. The ascending triangle is a bullish continuation chart pattern, meaning it forms during an uptrend and signals that the market may continue moving upward after a brief consolidation phase. Pattern structure. It has two major components. One, horizontal resistance line. The price repeatedly hits a similar high level but fails to break above it, forming a flat top. Two, rising support line. The price keeps making higher lows, showing increasing buying pressure. Together, these two lines converge to form a triangle, representing a build-up of momentum. Eventually, buyers overpower sellers, resulting in a bullish breakout above the resistance. Trading logic. Price oscillates between resistance and support while forming higher lows. Aggressive traders enter near the rising trend line after bullish rejections. Conservative traders wait for a confirmed breakout above resistance and then a retest of that broken level as new support. Trade setup, entry, after the breakout and retest confirmation. Stop loss, below the last swing low or below the rising trend line. Take profit, use the measured move method, project the height of the triangle from the breakout point. Confirmation signal. To confirm a genuine breakout, traders look for strong bullish candle closing above resistance, increase in trading volume during the breakout, RSI or MACD bullish crossover to support the move. Optional, retest of resistance as new support with rejection wicks showing buyer strength. When these conditions align, the breakout is more likely to succeed. Success rate. According to Anderson's 2023 research, Financial Markets Research Institute, ascending triangle patterns have a 75% success rate in predicting continued uptrends, making them one of the most reliable continuation patterns in the market. Pro tip. When trading the ascending triangle, always check the volume before entry. A true breakout is almost always supported by a spike in volume. If the price breaks resistance but the volume stays weak, it could be a false breakout. Combine price action plus volume plus indicator confirmation for the most powerful trade setups. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, ToDo TradeCast, where we bring you smart trading concepts, price action secrets and real market examples. Stay smart, stay profitable with ToDo TradeCast.